Morning. Welcome to my crib. I'm James. This is Rise in Alpine, and I'm going to give you a little tour of my new home on wheels. Good morning. Like as most people, I always wear my Asics to bed. You always gotta be ready. But I'm James, and this is Rise in Alpine. Welcome to my home on wheels. So I'm gonna give you the grand tour today. I'm absolutely thrilled to be showing our little house off. We're gonna be living in it for the next 3 months or so, or as long as we feel like it after that, but 3 months is the plan right now. I'm currently in Victoria, British Columbia, somewhere near Willows Beach. My sense of direction is gonna get better this summer. I'm sure of it. Give you a little rundown here. So in the back, we got a full-sized double bed. It's super comfy. My parents had a backup one in the house, so we stole that and popped it in here and kind of built the bed design around a double bed. It's a Leer 122 high-rise canopy, so can't really sit up in it or anything. That doesn't really matter. Like, it's pretty comfy for changing, sleeping. It's not claustrophobic at all. We built curtains in here. These curtains are attached by curtain rods, which are taped to these little wood blocks, and the curtain rods are screwed into them. Got 4 pillows. We got our pet dog, Uni. You always got to travel with the dog. We heard when you're going into the van life, you need to travel with an animal. So we brought one along. I've got phenomenally bad allergies, so we didn't think it was the best idea to find a golden retriever, adopt one to bring along. Now, on the sides here, we've got our lantern. Provides lots of light in the night and no light in the day. So that's a lantern. Things get humid in a camper, especially with 2 bodies, so we got a big old silica packet. You see these a lot of the time in pill bottles and stuff like that. Grabs moisture. You don't really see them in this size, but if you have a truck camp or a sailboat or something, pick one of these up. Keeps everything way less humid. Total lifesaver. I've got some extra blankets, but not too much more to talk in the bed. On the sides of the truck, on either side, as you can see, there are little shelving units that run the whole length. So all of this pops out. We haven't wasted any bed space. We got the propane here. If I was to pull out the propane and move it, there's fishing rods, fishing gear, all the way down. We've got some tow ropes and safety type gear, an air compressor. And on both sides, we've got a little setup like this. So that just pops back on. Same thing on this side. Underneath here, we can store axe, umbrella, hiking boots, kind of dirty stuff, hiking poles, things like that. Same thing, shelves on this side. Now I'm going to show you the gear drawer. So on this side, we hold all the hiking gear and whatever adventuring gear we need, extra safety stuff, things like that. And on this side is the kitchen. So I'll show you the hiking gear first. So it stretches out the entire length of the 6'4" bed, but in here we got everything you need for hiking. Survival kit, sunscreen, swim goggles, air horn, you name it, tents, backpacks, everything. Got my tool kit, things like that. Probably about 300 pounds or so of gear in here. Built this thing super stable. As you can see on the sides here and on the bottom, it's hard to see, but we use little pieces of UHMW polyurethane plastic. It's kind of like they're kind of like cutting board pieces, and that's what these drawers kind of slide along. They act as guides as well. So the drawers are 13 inches high here, and then the faceplate's probably like 14 inches or so. The bottom of the drawers and everything's lined with this indoor-outdoor carpet that you can see here. And now I'm going to show you the kitchen. So, welcome to my kitchen. Pulls out, as you can see in the back, we got some dry food storage. So that's all the necessities: sriracha, ketchup, Frank's. I don't even know if we have any food in there yet. Coffee, sauces for all the food we don't have. Jiffy Pop. Taste the rainbow. We got wine glasses, 1 bottle of wine, pots, pans, whatever. Now to cook, setup super quick, super easy. That's something we really want. When you wake up in the morning in a random place, it's nice to just get on your feet quick and be able to make a coffee. So cooking super simple. What we do, pop this up, pop it to the side like that. In here we got all our cutlery, kind of cooking stuff that we typically need. So I pull up the paper towels, pull the cooking stuff. Got our Coleman stove tucked in here. We're going to pop the little table here back down. Pops right on like that. Set up the Coleman stove. Bingo bango. That's pretty much it. Coleman stoves go in. Pop the cap on the little propane here. Got the cord. We attach the propane to the Coleman stove, and we start cooking. Use whatever we need. Get cooking. Takedowns just as easy as the setup. I'm gonna leave this out, and I'm gonna show you the rest of the setup here. In here we got the refrigerator. It's 12-volt igloo. No, it's just a igloo cooler. So not a refrigerator, nothing special. I don't got this attached to solar power or attached to my car battery. Maybe at some point in the future. But right here we got the cooler, cold slices of pizza, and we've got some cold mixed nuts, because nuts always need to be cold. Behind the cooler here, we've got the inflatable kayak, which breaks down into a hockey bag, super easy. Some extra rope and fuel. We've got a canopy on this side, for those rainy days. It's got mosquito netting, which pops right over the back of the truck, keeps the bugs out, when it's a bit hotter. Water jugs. It's got a fire extinguisher in there. All those basics. Oh, here comes a garbage truck or something. Front seat, nothing crazy. Just normal. Left it with a bunch of room. Nothing there. Now back on the other side, that's where we got our closet. Once again, not too robust of a closet. Little area to store our shoes. 3 bins, that's my bin, Laura's. We share some jackets. That's pretty much it. So this is gonna be home for the next 3 months or so. We plan. Hopefully everything goes well, and super excited to take all of you along on that journey with us. So let's get at it.